Hi guys, today lesson 8.2, solving equations by factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. I would like to show you one of the example. As you remember today in class, I showed you. I'm going to repeat it again one more time. And we are going to start factoring 6x squared first. And how we factor the 6x squared? 3x and 2x. As you know, when we factor this, we have to factor a negative 45 as negative 9 and 5, or we can factor this 3 and negative 15, or we can factor this negative 15 and 3. We have three different options for the negative 45. We are going to try one by one. Let's get started with the first try. And 3 times 5, which is 15x, 2 times negative 9, which is negative 18x. When we add them, it's going to be negative 3x. As you see, this is not equal to negative 21x, which is the middle number. That's why this is wrong. So when we move the next one, which is going to be negative 3 and positive 3 and negative 15, let's multiply 3 times negative 15, which is negative 45x, 2 times 3, which is 6x. Total is going to be negative 39x, which is not equal to negative 21x. That's why this is also wrong. The last one that we are going to try, and negative 15 and positive 3. So let's try this. Negative 15, negative 15 and positive 3. Let's make a cross multiplication. 3 times 3, 9x. And 2 times negative 15 is negative 30x. When we add those numbers, it's going to be negative 21x, is the one which is the middle number. So, and let's write the equation, let's write the factors. When we write the factors, 3x minus 15 and 2x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So how we get the solution? How we get the values of x? 3x minus 15, which is equal to 0. Then we have to add 15 on both sides. 3x is equal to 15. X will be 5 because we divided by 3 both sides. The first value of x is 5. And the other value of x is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3, it's going to be 2x equal to negative 3, and divided by 2, x is equal to negative 3 over 2. That means negative 1.5. As you see, we found the value of x's and we found the factor of equation. The factor of equation is 3x minus 15, 2x plus 3. All right, next problem. Let's talk about the next problem. Let me erase it first. So, guys, as you know, we have to start factoring the first number. We have two options for the factoring, 2 and 10, or 4 and 5. And x, because x squared can be factored as x and x. So how do you factor negative 25? Can be negative 5 and positive 5, or positive 5 and negative 5. So let's get started with the first one, which is 4x and 5x, negative 5 and positive 5. So 4x times 5, which is 20x, 5x times negative 5, which is negative 25x. Total is going to be negative 5x, which is not equal to middle number, negative 40x. That's why this is wrong. What about the next? And we will try the next one, which is 2 and 10, 2x and 10x. And the other one is negative 5 and positive 5. So, when we make the cross multiplication, 2x times 5, 10x. 10x times negative 5 is negative 50x. And the total is going to be negative 40x. And I believe we got the middle number. That's why this is the correct order. So how you write the factors, number which is next to each other, we have to keep in our minds 2x minus 5 times 10x plus 5 equal to 0. So how do you get the values of x? I think this is the easiest part of the lesson. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So we have to add 5 on both sides. So 2x is going to be 5. And divided by 2, x will be 2.5. This is one of the x value. So what about 10x plus 5, which is equal to 0, minus 5 and minus 5, it's going to be 10x is equal to negative 5, and divided by 10, x will be equal to negative 0.5. I found the factors and I found the x values.